All right, hi, I'm Bill, and welcome to Astro Vagabond channel. It's Friday afternoon, October 4th, 2024. I got home from Blue Canyon, I guess Thursday, and it turned out that Christian Ralph and Patrick Carrigan were going to head out to Father Crowley's Overlook in Death Valley. They're out there tonight and tomorrow night. So I decided to hop in the van. Everything was already packed and head out that way. So sit back and relax, buckle up. We'll do this road trip together. Now, most of the footage is going to be once I get close to Death Valley on this road trip. Right now, I'm going through the urban area by my home, and there's going to be a lot of traffic, so I don't think it'll be very interesting. So, and the last quality of the video was reasonably good when it came to the camera and the stability of the frames and everything. So, sit back and relax. Okay, well, an hour and 50 minutes down the road, just now coming up to I-5. We should hit it in about 1.2 miles. But technically we are in the Central Valley. All right, good morning. Leaving Coalinga, it's 6:50. Okay, it's 8:44 a.m. Just passed through the Bakersfield area. I took California 58 off of I-5, and now we're coming up to the Tehachapi Mountains. Okay, so we're gonna stop at or I am going to stop, but you're riding along, so I guess we're gonna stop at the Pilot up here in Tehachapi.
Take exit 167.
I'm always impressed by the people that choose to live out in these areas.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto California 14 North, signs for Bishop.
Okay, Red Rock Canyon State Park, Ricardo Campground. Oh, I don't know if you can see over on the left. Hopefully the camera is wide enough to capture that road, that cut there. You can see how the earth was pushed up and it's now at an angle. And you see the layers. Maybe there'll be more up here that is more in front of the camera. I don't know why I like the desert so much. I say I like it because you can see far. And but being in the desert is peace of mind for me.
Take the next right onto California 190 East, signs for Panamint Springs, Death Valley. Continue on California 190 East for 15 miles.
Okay, so we're about 37 minutes from our destination.
In a quarter mile, turn left. Turn left, then turn left. Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Now my expectation is somewhere down here. We're gonna go slow. Okay, and it's just front-wheel drive. I'm gonna wait for this guy. I don't want to get too much into the gravel. That was Subaru, I think. Subaru. Wow. Yep. What a view. I guess they used to fly jet planes through that valley until one crashed a few years ago. Oh, I see camp. You're on video. Oh yeah, yeah. How you been? Good to see you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I took the long way.
Which way did you come?
I came all the way down 5 and then up 14.
That's what he's saying. You stayed in Cole. I'm like, why would he? You went down and then back up, right?
Yeah, because I wanted to get out of the house and get halfway here. Otherwise, I would have go over like Sonora and come down 395 that way. But yeah.
Yeah, see, that's what I was thinking of. Like, he's like, you stayed in Coaling? I'm like, it doesn't make sense why you'd stay in Coaling because you come down to 101 and get across that way. Yeah, pull up.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull up just a little bit more, I think, and then yeah, good deal. What do you got? Oh yeah, you have your normal 3 scopes. All right, if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, like, share, and subscribe. We made it.